Good evening to all. I am Vedant, second year undergrad student pursuing my BLLB at Symbiosis Law School, Nagpur. Today is the day which we were waiting for. Today is the National Youth Day, that is 12th of January. We celebrate National Youth Day because today is the birth anniversary of our monk and great philosopher Swami Vivekananda. I would initiate my speech by a quote of Swami Vivekananda in which he mentions that if you win, you can lead. If you lose, you guide. This quote should be embedded in each and every citizen of the country and the world. As we all know, Swamiji was more inclined toward the youth of the country. Who are these youths? Youths are the generation. Youth is that period of your life where we have zeal, where one is aggressive, where one is having enthusiasm toward its goal. So Swamiji was always inclined towards the youth. Youth is the future of the country. Youth is the building block of the country. Youth is the future of the tomorrow. As every building needs some good bricks, in the same way the country needs the youth. So youth is the foundation of the country. So if the foundation of the country only get disturbed, then how will the country will get prosper? If you look from the perspective of freedom fighters, be it Ranade, be it Justice Gokhale, be it Gopal Krishna Gokhale, be it with Tilak, all were the youths at that time. Either they were the extremists or the radicals, and every youth has the power and every youth has the potential. It's just that their parents or their neighbors should extract them. They should not tweak them into the chains or the burdens. Nowadays, what's happening in the country like India, that every youth is dispersed in just two professions, spread in just two professions, medical sciences or engineering. No friends, no. If you look at the different world and the countries like Japan, Canada, USA and UK, they have IB curriculum in which they follow different activities like culinary, cooking, stitching the clothes. This all things our Indian students are lacking. So there is a need of IB curriculum schools. Though we have IB curriculum schools in Mumbai, Pune, Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore, in all the metro cities, but I urge each and everyone, try to acquaint with the system so that we can produce more youths. Though CBSE and ICSE board schools are producing the youths, but somewhere there is a rote learning system going on, and all the people, their journey starts from youth only. Youth is a generation where either one go high or either one becomes low in their life. Either one lead to the positive direction or either one leads to the negative direction. Now, if I want to talk youth from the perspective of the harmony, yeah, educated youth can lead to the harmony in the society, which will give the principle, justice to the principle of Vasudeva Kutumbakam, which means whole world is one family, and that principle is very important to lead a better quality life. So we know, if I talk from the Indian perspective, in India there are many religions. The people here speak multilingual languages. There are different culture people, but somewhere there is a communal descent, not communal harmony. If I talk about some different religion, if I am having some dissenting views about the other religions, then each and every one, the people of the other religion gets aggravated. So why these trivial things happen? It's because of the lack of education. If I talk about the education at the time of Swami Vivekananda, there was no digital era. But after the liberalization, privatization and globalization policy of 1991 by P.V. Narasimha Rao ji and Manmohan Singh ji, which they propounded, so after the liberalization and privatization policy, India, it opened its pairs or sectors for all over the world, wherein import and exports of the businesses, wherein digital world started to imbibe in a country like India. So youths are getting more opportunity. Youths got more opportunity. We have institutions, some of the greatest institutions of the world like IIT and IIM, IIT Powai and IIM Ahmedabad, where people are there, where youths are working, they are building their startups. So India want that kind of youth. So don't tweak the youths in the chains of just medical sciences and engineering, because there are lots of professions in the world to having. So please support our youth. They will develop us. And on this beautiful occasion of National Youth Day, let's just try to extract each and everything from the youth, that to positive thing, and we will lead to the development of the country. I would like to conclude my speech by just saying this the quote by Swami Vivekananda: what we thought or what we think we becomes. So think positive, become positive. Thank you and have a great day.